Welcome to this issue of SingTown Technology's OpenMV Robot Arm tutorial on pressing keys and controlling the robotic arm with TXT text. After watching this video, you'll learn more about how to use this robotic arm. The specific tutorial and source code can be viewed at the OpenMV.cc on the official website of SingTown Technology. If you're interested, let's watch it together. First, we connect the robotic arm to a 12-volt power supply. OpenMV is connected to the computer via a data cable.
Align the base of the robotic arm with the box of the seam. Make sure the robotic arm is placed correctly. These are the files and code required to implement this actual operation. Drag all the files into the OpenMV file directory.
This is where the blocks are placed. Here we go. We will show how to use the button teaching function and control this robotic arm. Move the block to the designated location. Let's briefly explain the specific operation.
Run the code and press different buttons. The robotic arm can be controlled to move in different directions.
Now let's introduce the specific function of each button. First of all, this is the number of the button. Button number 8 is to control the robotic arm to the right. Button number 2 controls the robotic arm to the left. Button number 4 controls the robotic arm to move forward. Button number 6 controls the robotic arm to go backwards. Button number 3 is to control the robotic arm down. Button 9 is to control the robotic arm up. Button number 7 controls the opening of the prosthetic claw. The number 1 button controls the closure of the prosthetic claw. Finally, click the number 5 button in the middle can be saved. Double click to run the program you just saved. Use key control the robotic arm to reach a coordinate point in space. At this time, press the number 5 button. Save current coordinates. Let us do that in full again. Practical application of key teaching.
Use the buttons to control the robotic arm to complete the handling of the blocks, and use the 5th key to record the coordinate points in the process.
After completing the handling, manually put the blocks back in place. Press the number 5 button twice. Start teaching playback. Next, we will explain how to use the TXT file to control this robotic arm. Coordinate information is written in move.txt, including the coordinates of XYZ representing the 3 axes. E represents the coordinates of the slide rail. F is the operating speed of the shaft. Is the angle of the steering gear. Run the code. The robotic arm will follow, moving the content in move.txt. Modify the contents of move.txt and save the file. Run the code again. The robotic arm will move according to the new content. We're going to do that one more time. After modification again, the robotic arm will still follow the latest content. Go exercise. So that is the end of OpenMV Robot Arm Button teaching and tutorial on using TXT files to control the robotic arm. That is the end of it. How about it? Did you unlock it? What about more new ideas, specific tutorials and source code? You can visit the official website of SingTown Technology OpenMV, OpenMV.cc view. Welcome to leave us a message, like and follow. See you next time. Bye bye.